Okay, say we have some files that we need to transfer, either by email or FTP, or we want to upload them to WebCT. So we want to compress those files to make the transfer easier and to make the files smaller so it goes faster. And say we want to do it to these files right here. You can use a commercial application like WinZip, and they do a great job, but they cost money. And I'd rather use something I can get for free. So we're going to use an open source product called 7-Zip, which you can download for free at www.7zip.org or from sourceforge.net. And once you download it and install it, you can begin to use it. And the first thing we're going to do is create a folder on the desktop here. We'll call it Things to Zip. And we'll put the files that we want to zip into that folder. Then we can start 7-Zip, the 7-Zip file manager. And it's looking on our desktop. It sees that folder, Things to Zip. So we'll highlight that. Go to File, 7-Zip, and Add to Archive. Now this will bring up a menu where we can change all kinds of things if you want to. But we want to keep the archive format as a zip. The compression level is set to Ultra, which will compress it the most and make the smallest file. Store won't compress it at all. It'll just combine it into one file. And these are all different grades of compression. You can add a password to it if you'd like to protect sensitive information. Down here you can split it into volumes for CDs or DVDs or floppy disks, but we're not going to mess with any of that. We're just going to keep it like this. Okay. And it creates a zipped folder, Things to Zip. Now our original folder was 187 kilobytes, and our zipped folder is 77 kilobytes. So it's less than half the size of the original. And there's also another way you can do this, a much easier way. Like, you create your folder, you can right click and go to 7-Zip and add to archive, and it does the same exact thing. And now you can take your zip folder and email it, upload it, whatever you want to do with it. And that's how it works.